good one. What the heck? What the heck's this? Oh my gosh, it's a new species. Wow, look at that spadefish. Oh my God, that's huge. Look at that. Big one, isn't it? I'm honestly surprised the speaking didn't break off. All right, there we go. Fifth new species of the day, the Atlantic spadefish. All right, we're gonna let him go.
If you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe button and check out the related playlist and videos in the description.
Species.